Think and answer. Tick the correct options. There are 5 questions given there. Each question has 3 options also there. What we need to do is we need to read the sentence given there, check with the options here, and based on what we have learned in the lesson, we need to select the correct answer. Right? So the first question, which of these food give us energy? Egg is a wholesome food. Fruits also give us minerals and vitamins. Sugar is the right answer, isn't it? Sugar, carbohydrates, yeah, they give us energy. Which of these foods is eaten as raw? Raw means without cooking. So we know fruits we eat without cooking, they are eaten raw, and we have discussed some vegetables also can be eaten raw, means without cooking, isn't it? So 3 vegetables are given here actually. So which are they? The first one is carrot. Yeah, carrot we can eat raw, isn't it? We can just wash it, peel it, and then we can eat it as it is. Potato. Potato, no, we cannot eat it. Brinjal. Brinjal also, we need to cook it before eating, isn't it? So what is the right answer? Carrot. Now the third question. People who eat only plants food and do not take honey, milk products, egg and meat are called, yeah, we have seen different kinds of people are there, isn't it? Some people take plant food, some people take plant food, but they take milk, honey, eggs and all, because they're coming from the animals, okay? Then some people take only, they eat, no, not only, they eat meat, fish items also, isn't it? Yeah. So what do we call those people who eat only plant food? Vegans. People who eat milk products also, vegetarians we call them, is it? Yeah. So people who eat only plant food and do not eat honey, milk products, egg and meat are called vegans. What are they called? Vegans. While eating, we should not talk, read a book, both. So is it good to talk while eating food? No, we should not talk, okay. What about reading a book? No, should not be done, isn't it? So we should not talk, we should not read a book. So the answer is C, right? Which of these is a junk food? We have discussed this also in the class, like the good food, the healthy food and the junk food. So what are the things that come in the junk food? The fast food items like noodles are there, then burgers are there, pizzas are there, chips are there, snacks like soft drinks are there, isn't it? Yeah, so chips is given here. Chapati is a healthy food. Rice is also a healthy food, but chips are not a healthy food, right? Yes. So sugar is a energy giving food. Carrot is a food that can be eaten raw. People who eat only plant food and do not take honey, milk products, egg and meat are called vegans. While eating, we should not talk and read a book. Chips are junk food, right? So I'll keep this screen the same for another minute. You can read the sentences again. Okay. So now we'll go on to the next question. Fill in the blanks. There are 5 sentences given here from the textbook, and there are 5 options also given there. What we need to do is 5 sentences with the 6 blanks are there and the 6 options are given there. Okay, right. Now what we need to do is read each and every sentence, check with the blanks given in the box below, and select the correct options and write it there. Okay. Yeah. So what is the first sentence? We eat different kinds of food to stay healthy and fit, isn't it? Is that what we read in the class? Yeah. We eat different kinds of food to stay digest, disease, healthy, fit. Yeah. So we eat different kinds of food to stay healthy and fit. Vegetables and fruits protects our body from diseases. Vegetables and fruits protects our body from diseases, isn't it? We must include this in our diet. What is that? Along with the food that we eat, we should include good amount of water also, right? It is easier to dash cooked food. Yeah, digest cooked food. When we cook the food, it becomes softer and it's easy for our body to digest it and absorb the nutrients from that. Okay. Eat meals at the fixed time. You have already seen it. Right? So what are the sentences? We eat different kinds of food to stay healthy and fit. Vegetables and fruits protects our body from diseases. We must include water in our diet. It's easier to digest cooked food. Eat meals at a fixed time. Right? So I'll keep the screen the same for another minute. You can read the sentences yourselves. Okay. So now we will move on to the next question. Think and answer. Write true or false. So we need to write a T if the given statement is a true statement and F if it is a false statement. So five statements are given there and we need to read them carefully. Check with what we have learned in the lesson and based on what we have learned we need to check whether these statements are right or wrong. Okay. Yes. So what is the first sentence? Food gives us energy to work and play. Yeah, we have discussed in the class also. We need energy if we want to play. For example, after playing for a while, we become tired. We lose our energy. At that time, what do? We will go eat some food, take some rest, and we get our energy back, and we will be able to play. Right? So, what is the answer? True. So, we have marked T there. Right? Pulses form bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding and repairing is done by proteins, and pulses are rich with the proteins, isn't it? Yeah, so we have already discussed that. We know that is a true statement. We should drink only boiled or filtered water. Yes, because the water we drink may have bacteria, virus, and all these kinds of things, and that can cause a lot of diseases. When we boil the water, all these things will be dead and destroyed. And when we filter the water, the filtering systems also have a facility to stop these from getting into our body. So by boiling or filtering the water we drink, we can make ourselves healthy and safe. So that is a true statement. We should chew our food well. We should chew our food well. True. Because digestion is a process that starts from the mouth itself, and the first stage is chewing the food. Vegetarian people eat plant products along with fish, meat, and egg. Vegetarians usually eat only plant products, no? They won't eat any fish, meat, and egg. Who eat fish and meat and all? Non-vegetarians. Very good. So that is a wrong statement. So I'll read the sentences once again. Food gives us energy to work and play is a true statement. Pulses form a bodybuilding food is a true statement. We should drink only boiled or filtered water is a true statement. We should chew our food well is a true statement. Vegetarian people eat plant products along with the fish, meat, and eggs is a false statement because non-vegetarian people eat plant products along with the fish, meat, and egg. Okay, vegetarian people eat only plant products, right? Yeah. So I'll keep this screen the same for another minute so that you can read these sentences well.